During the G20 summit, India has launched the Global Digital Public Infrastructure Repository. It is created by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It is a comprehensive research hub which is pooling essential lessons and expertise from G20 members and guest nations. It will aim to bridge the knowledge gap in the choice and methods required for design, construction, development and governance of DPIs. Various DPIs like Aadhaar, UPI, DigiLocker, Umang and other have been incorporated in the GDPRI. Now, what is digital public infrastructure? Digital public infrastructure are referred to blocks or platforms such as digital identification, the example of which is Aadhaar, payment infrastructure, the example of which is UPI, which is a real-time fast payment system, and data exchange solution that help countries deliver essential services to people, empowering citizens and improving lives by enabling digital inclusion. If we sum up, then DPIs aim to improve the governance structure and achieve the smart governance. SMART is an acronym for simple, moral, accountable, responsive and transparent governance. Additionally, during the G20 summit, a social impact fund was also established, which is a government-led multi-stakeholder initiative which will aim to fast-track the DPI implementation in Global South. India has pledged 25 million USD to SIF. The objective include financial support to provide technical and non-technical assistance to countries in developing DPI system. Additionally, the platform will be offer relevant stakeholders to contribute to this fund and help accelerating achievement of sustainable development goals in low and middle income countries through DPIs.